Hey foodies, welcome back to Unveil the Other Side. Today we are seeing an interesting recipe called bread upma. For this recipe, we will need 1 tomato, 1 onion, curry leaves, bread. You can use any type of bread. Here I am using whole wheat multigrain bread. Firstly, chop the onion into fine pieces, and I'm slitting 2 green chilies. You can use as many green chilies as you need based on the spice levels, and a few sprigs of coriander leaves. I'm just chopping them into fine pieces so that I'll use it up for garnishing in the end. This is a very interesting recipe that your kids will definitely love, and if you have some guests, you can make this very quickly and it's definitely going to be a super hit because it's easy but still yummy. So as you can see, I'm just chopping the onions into small pieces. 1 medium-sized onion is sufficient for about half a pound of bread. Sometimes what happens is you have fresh bread bought and it's only eaten about for a day, and then you just leave it aside only to remember that it's expiring very soon. So that's when you can make this recipe as well. Here, this is a whole wheat multigrain bread. Chop it into fine pieces or cubes as well. It's going to be a little hard because it's not going to be that fresh if you're using about 2 days old bread, but still that doesn't matter for this recipe. As long as you have some bread pieces, it's going to work same and the recipe taste will not change. So this is how I have cut the bread into cubes, the remaining also. Chop the tomatoes as well. You don't have to be an expert here, and chopping it fine, big pieces will do the job as well. Once you have all the ingredients ready, it's just tossing everything together in a pan. So you have the bread pieces, you have your tomatoes, onions, curry leaves, green chilies and corianders. Now the masala: mustard seeds, jeera, groundnut, a little bit of amchur powder for more tanginess. Add about 1 tablespoon of oil, any cooking oil that you use. Once it's hot, add in mustard seeds, cumin seeds, let them splatter, then add in a little turmeric, and in goes green chili, curry leaves and the groundnuts. So fry them or saute them for about a minute or so until the groundnuts turn crisp. Then add in onion. Cook for a minute or so until it turns translucent. And then you add in the tomatoes. This is your basic pantry ingredients that you definitely will have at home. So it's going to be an instant snack that you can prepare for your evening coffee companion, or also in the early mornings if you don't have an idea of to what needs to be done for breakfast. This is a quick fix breakfast as well. After adding in tomatoes, I added salt for taste. It helps in cooking the tomatoes and onions quicker as well. And now I'm adding a bit of amchur powder and red chili powder for more spice. As you can see, the tomatoes and onions are cooked. So adding in the bread cubes, mix everything together. The bread upma is going to be ready in a couple of minutes. So This recipe is definitely interesting. Garnish it with fresh coriander leaves and with a dash of lime. Bread upma is ready to be served. Please do try this recipe and let me know how you all enjoyed it. Kids are definitely going to love it. For more such recipes, visit Unveil the Other Side. Thanks for watching. Bye.